Hi guys, welcome to my Simple Recipes YouTube channel. I'm Sam and Chef by Trade. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a cheesy and chili scrambled eggs, one of the best morning meals. Very easy, simple and delicious. It is absolutely worth to try. My goal is to share my knowledge and experience with you. This is my first video and please subscribe my channel. For this simple recipe we need only 5 ingredients. 2 eggs, chives, salt, pepper, some chili flakes and mozzarella cheese. For this cheese you can use any type of cheese, but I prefer mozzarella cheese for this recipe. We're gonna crack those 2 eggs in the bowl and we add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, little bit of chili flakes, but this chili flakes, like, it depends on you, like how much you want to add, how much spicy you want, but I use only half a teaspoon and I use like nearly 2